guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we'll be making a video on how to use rice water for massive hair growth. Okay, so guys, what you'll be needing is just two ingredients, and they are rice and ginger. So guys, let's get started. You'll be needing your pot too. Okay, so because I will be making for just one person, for my daughter, I'll be needing just little rice. Okay, because I don't want to store it, just little rice, and that should be fine. Little rice, you see, it's really little. Okay, and we'll be needing 6 cloves of ginger. We're taking 6 from this. So guys, when you finish peeling your ginger, you just head to where you can wash your rice. I'm going to be washing it. Yeah, I just wash the water to throw it off. As you can see, it's not that dirty. Okay, so you add little water to it. Just little, because I said I will be doing just little one. Add little water to it and off to the fire. Okay, yeah, add little water to it and off to the fire. I will be adding my garlic to the rice and cover to boil for some time. Yes guys, it has boiled, and as you can see, it's really soft. So what I will do, because I'll be using it tomorrow, not today, I'm going to off my gas, yeah, and leave it, because I'm doing it at night now. So I'm going to off my gas and leave it to cool. So before I will come and filter it. Okay, see you guys soon. Yeah guys, it has finished boiling, and then we have to bring out the water before it finally soaks. Okay, I don't want it to bring out the water. You see, it's soaked already. Is what I will do. This is the shampoo for kids. Okay, for kids, this is the shampoo my daughter is using. No, the conditioner, I'm sorry. This, because we have the shampoo and the conditioner. This is the conditioner she's using for her hair. Okay, so that's why you have to put this rice water inside the conditioner. Okay, because this condition, my sister's, is really thick. Okay, this is what I'm doing, because this is the condition she uses for her hair. So I'm adding the rice water to it. I'm still going to add more. Oh, sorry about that. You see, so I didn't add it to the shampoo. Don't forget, the shampoo I didn't add it to it. It was to the condition I added. It's really effective, really effective. It works like magic. Try this and thank me later. The conditioner I'll be using to make her hair, and this is the shampoo. I didn't add to the shampoo, I just added to the condition, okay? Because the condition is the one that stays on the hair, and this is the leftover that you can use to spray, especially when you are doing her hair and you want to spray more. This is the one you can use. So guys, see you guys in my next video. See, I come your way next time. Stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.